Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, October 29th. And as we start the time lapse from yesterday, it was a pretty gloomy day out there with some rain from overnight, and then we picked up about another tenth of an inch later on during the day, and you can see quite wet, and it wasn't very busy yesterday as well. For today, we have the sunshine that'll return, but then more showers and thunderstorms even possible Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. And again, we'll watch that, but we could pick up a fair amount of rain from some of these showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. But then we look dry for Wednesday, Halloween, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. And if we look at the climate data for today, the normal high is 55, the normal low is 35. You can see back on this date, 102 years ago, we had a half a foot of snow on the ground. Nothing like that around here anytime soon, but certainly it can happen. First Sunday, we had a high of 41 and a low of 37. We picked up 9/100ths of an inch of rainfall, and that gave us a storm total of 2/10 over the Saturday night through yesterday time period. And again, we're up to about just under 3 inches of rain so far for the month and 27 inches for the year. And for the month of October, we are now almost 1 degree per day below normal. We'll probably see that go up closer towards normal here with milder temperatures the next couple of days. But overall, October will end up probably slightly below normal to near normal. And if we look at the sunrise this morning at 8:09, and we'll set at 6:33 tonight. And if we look at current temperatures around the area, mainly in the upper 30s to low 40s, the warm spot here in Middleton at 41, and over at Marlette, the cool spot at 37 degrees. And if we look at the satellite view this morning, you can see that little clipper type system. If this had been a month from now, we probably would have laid down about 2 to 4 inches of snow or so across much of central and south central lower Michigan over into the thumb area, but it's not, and so we didn't. But pretty compact, but nice little rain producer for some parts of the area. In fact, portions of southwest Ontario picking up around a half inch of rain. So again, some areas got some pretty good amounts of rain. But again, for most of the MAC area, we hung under that 2/10 of an inch, which I had forecasted as we were into late last week. And again, the big storm moved off to the east coast. And behind this will be between systems today. But this is our area where we're going to see that showers and thunderstorms move into the area for later tomorrow. And as far as radar this morning, you can see with the heaviest precipitation well off to our east. In this wake, we have some lake effect showers across the Great Lakes, but again, nothing significant. Those will dissipate, and we'll see more in the way of sunshine as we go through the day. On the weather map this morning, you can see the low pressure system now off to our east. Again, we're going to be between systems today, and eventually we'll see some sunshine. This is our area of low pressure off to our west, and again, as that high pressure system moves off to the east, the low pressure system will drag this warm front into the area, so that by tomorrow, that warm front, cold front combination will be coming into Wisconsin, into lower Michigan, and there's going to be enough lift in there. Again, we could see some thunderstorms out of this for tomorrow, and then as the system moves off to the east, it'll become even a little bit more intense out ahead of that cold front with some heavier rains and even some severe weather across southeast Texas. For us, high pressure system will begin to move in as we go through. This will be for Wednesday morning. By later in the day, we expect sunshine, temperatures mild in the 50s with the cold air all locked off to the north. And again, it looks like a pretty good Halloween forecast for the trick-or-treaters. And if we look at precipitation amounts over the next 7 days, you can see a pretty decent amount of rain for southeast lower Michigan. And again, a lot of that will be tomorrow and then a little bit on Thursday, but the heaviest rains by far will be across portions of southeast Indiana, much of Ohio into western Pennsylvania and New York. Again, for much of the area, though, our heaviest precipitation will fall mainly tomorrow into tomorrow evening. And then for the 6-hour period from 1 p.m. Halloween afternoon into 7 p.m., when the trick-or-treaters will pretty much be done, you can see no precipitation forecasted across much of lower Michigan. And again, confidence is pretty high. It looks like a dry, partly cloudy type skies for the Halloweeners. And if we look at the forecast, it looks like below 50s today with sunshine eventually developing, but then those clouds and thunderstorms come in tomorrow. It'll be mild, highs in the mid-50s into Wednesday, and again 43 to 46 degrees during the evening for trick-or-treaters. And again, we'll have some more showers possibly moving in for Thursday. Not a real big chance, but we could see a few scattered showers, and then lots of clouds as we go through the rest of the week. So overall, pretty mild 5 days coming up with temperatures near to slightly below normal. And again, pretty good chance of rainfall for Tuesday with thunderstorms. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.